Hello everyone and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a procurement job interview. If you are applying for a procurement role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top most important procurement job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. Very quickly, before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So, the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you explain the procurement process and its significance in an organization? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of the procurement process and how it impacts an organization's operations and financial health. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, the procurement process involves sourcing, acquiring and managing the goods and services needed by an organization to operate efficiently. It typically includes identifying needs, selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and managing supplier relationships. The significance of procurement lies in its ability to control costs, ensure quality, and maintain timely delivery of supplies, which directly affects the organization's operational efficiency and profitability. Question number two: how do you approach supplier selection and evaluation? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to choose and evaluate suppliers effectively to ensure they meet the organization's needs and standards. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, when selecting and evaluating suppliers, I start by defining the criteria that are most important for the organization, such as cost, quality, reliability, and compliance with regulations. I then conduct a thorough market analysis to identify potential suppliers. Once shortlisted, I assess each supplier's financial stability, reputation, production capacity, and previous performance. I also consider factors like their commitment to sustainability and innovation. Regular evaluations and performance reviews are conducted to ensure they continue to meet our standards. Question number three: can you describe a time when you successfully negotiated a contract with a supplier? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your negotiation skills and ability to secure favorable terms in supplier contracts. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous role, I was tasked with renegotiating a contract with a key supplier to reduce costs without compromising quality. I conducted a detailed analysis of market rates and the supplier's offering. During negotiations, I highlighted the long term partnership value and proposed a win win solution that included volume discounts in exchange for a longer contract term. The negotiation resulted in a 15% cost reduction while maintaining the quality and delivery timelines, benefiting both the organization and the supplier. Question number four: how do you manage risk in the procurement process? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to identify and mitigate risks that could impact the procurement process or the organization's supply chain. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, managing risk in the procurement process involves identifying potential risks such as supplier failures, price volatility, or supply chain disruptions. I use risk assessment tools to evaluate the likelihood and impact of these risks and develop mitigation strategies. This includes diversifying the supplier base, setting up contingency plans, and including risk management clauses in contracts. Continuous monitoring and regular reviews help ensure that risks are identified early and addressed promptly to minimize their impact on the organization. Question number five: what strategies do you use to build strong relationships with suppliers? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your ability to maintain positive and productive relationships with suppliers, which is crucial for long term success in procurement. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, Well, building strong relationships with suppliers starts with clear and open communication. I ensure that expectations, requirements, and feedback are communicated effectively and regularly. I also focus on building trust by being transparent in dealings, honoring commitments, and resolving issues collaboratively. Additionally, I invest in understanding the supplier's business and finding ways to support mutual growth, such as sharing forecasts or providing feedback on product development. Regular check ins and performance reviews help maintain a positive and proactive relationship. So, there you have it, 5 most important procurement job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.